Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In this video I want to share with you how to use custom fonts in Lumafusion, and the reason why you might want to do that is because you might work for some brand, and by their brand book they have particular fonts which they want you to use for titles in the video, or maybe you have your own style or your own, let's say, signature font which you use for your brand, and when you create social media post or edit your video you want to use those fonts which kind of been identified with you. And Lumafusion by default doesn't have many options to offer. They usually have the typical regular fonts, and in this video I just want to show you how you can install the custom font and then use it for your production. I'm going here to Google Fonts library, and I want to choose some font which I know is not available in Lumafusion. For example, this one, Fascinating Line, this one, it looks really good. So basically here on the right you can click download family and click download again. Here you can see that file has been downloaded, and then you go to the directory where it has been downloaded to, and here what you do, you click onto the file, click share, and go to share to Lumafusion. So it says that file saved, go to Lumafusion, and now we go into Lumafusion and it says that fonts imported. So the font has been registered and can be used in a titler. So it means that now we can create a custom font, so a custom title. So we go here, click onto overlay title, and now we click onto the title, and what you do next, you find your recently imported title, and it should be somewhere here. Yeah, so we have Fascinating Line regular, that is the text, right? Yeah, and then you can change the way how it appears. For example, we can do it like my custom title, right? Then we go back to video, and now we have our custom title. So it's not that hard to do, and if you want you can animate it. For this matter, just watch my other videos where I show you how to animate titles in Lumafusion. Really simple, easy, and I hope it's helpful. So let me know if you have any questions down below. Also like this video, subscribe if you like my explanations, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!